was just starting to change the strings on this guitar and list it, and then I noticed that we have some separation right here between the rosewood and the maple. It's coming loose. The glue has failed, either through heat, cold, or the neck moved. Let's repair that right now. What do you do when you have a neck with a fretboard that is separating from it, as you can see right here? So I can move that, and it goes about 4 inches down. Is there a fast way to fix this? As you can see on the top, it's separated. I can move it pretty easily. And the truss rod is still tight. This side's not as bad as far as the separation. It only goes down about 2 inches there, as you can see. But I'll show you a way to quick fix it. The secret to fixing this guitar is as simple as an old rusty guitar string. What you do is you take the guitar string and you just gently go down the neck. Make sure it's somewhat clear so you can get down to as far as it is. Now this one's going in at an angle. You can see up here it only goes down about to the first fret. On this side it goes on down. There we go. Now let's get the glue. Of course, the only glue to use is Titebond. What you want to do is take it, put your little glue up here, right there. Don't get any down in the truss rod hole. All right, get you some just like that. It's not going to take much more than what you see right there. And you take the guitar string and you just get some glue on it. Start going up and down, spreading it around. Get it all in there. Yeah, we're spreading it out. All right. Then you're going to want to go ahead and do your clamps. I like these little clamps here. Get this one down as far as it'll go. And just kind of start squeezing until you see some glue coming out the sides. Then you know you're about there. Okay. Don't really have to be in a big hurry. You can get them pretty easily. There we go. Should start squeezing out here shortly. There it comes. See it squeezing out? And then the last one. All right. Then you just take your damp cloth and start cleaning. Get the dripping glue off of everything. The cleaner you make this, the easier your job is going to be later. So I like to get that nice and clean once the clamps are on. Just a damp rag is all you need. Yeah, just make sure you get all the glue off the sides once you get it good and clamped. Yeah, make sure it's all squeezed up and you are clamped tight. Then just let it sit. Let's go ahead and take these off. It's been on there for a good 12 hours. Very nice. That came out perfect. Have to sand it just a hair, but it's good to go. That's a good gluing there. Yeah, and using some 600 grit sandpaper, and I'll go on up to some 1500 grit just to make sure knock a little bit. Boy, that already knocked it off. I may not have to go any further. I didn't really hurt the finish. I might polish it up a little bit. Hit this side. This side looks pretty good, and there's nothing to really feel here. Yeah, that knocked that. I can't feel a thing there. Looking good. Looking good. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Y'all be cool.